Hi everyone, welcome to our claw culture tutorial on how to get the perfect French manicure with our fabulous range of gel polish products and accessories. The first thing you want to do is file your nail into the desired shape using a claw culture nail file. These come in various grit combinations and are available individually or as a pack of 10. You then want to give it a little wipe to remove any of the dust before cleaning up the cuticle area with some nippers. If you bought our French Manicure Claw Drop Box, then you will have these items right at hand. Now on to the primer. This is available in both acid and acid-free options. This allows your base coat to adhere more securely to stop peeling and lifting. Place your brush 3/4 of the way up the nail and then push the product towards the cuticle. You don't need a lot of product on here. Once the primer has air dried, you can go in with the Claw Culture base coat. The base coat acts as a double-sided adhesive, making sure your colour stays nicely bonded to the nail and acts as a barrier for any high staining colours. You can see how much product used here per nail. Again, placing the brush 3/4 of the way up the nail first so you don't flood the cuticle area. Carefully fill the whole nail and don't forget to cap off the free edge. This is the part of the very tip of your nail that usually gets the most battering. You're then going to cure this in the UV or LED lamp. The time will depend on the length of your lamp, but generally it's 90 to 120 seconds for UV and 60 to 90 seconds for LED. If in doubt, double cure it. As you can see, our lovely model is sacrificing her fiery red manicure set to show us a French tip from scratch, so we are just applying it to one nail here. Once the base coat is cured, we go in with our first coat of colour, which is half nude, number 97, and also included in your French manicure themed Claw Culture drop box. The same technique applies, product on the brush, pushed up towards the cuticle area and blended down the rest of the nail. Don't worry if the first coat looks a little see-through. Gel colours are usually applied in 2 coats. Carefully apply it to the whole nail and don't forget to cap the end. Back under the lamp to cure the layer. Second layer of colour going on now. This should cover up any see-through areas and create a nice smooth base. You can use your included manicure stick to clean up any edges before curing this layer. Now onto the secret of a perfect French tip. Take your white and tap the straight edge of the brush along the bottom of the nail, making sure it creates a straight line all the way across. Decant a small amount of the white gel into a dish and grab your fine liner brush. Pull the gel through the bristles, making sure not to load too much product. Then you're going to paint a slanted line down towards the end of the nail, making sure the one at the other side of the nail starts at the same height. You're then going to fill in where it meets with a gentle curve. The beauty of the gel is, if it doesn't go to plan, you can just wipe it off and go again. The gel won't set until you cure it. Once you've got the perfect shape, pop it in the lamp to set it. With all of the hard work done, you can now apply your top coat. This is a clear and glossy protective layer to finish off the perfect look. You can see how much has been applied here per nail, and again, don't forget to cap off the very tip of the nail. Back into the lamp for the final time. A quick little sweep around the edge with a file just sharpens the look of a French tip, and our cuticle pen replenishes any natural oils lost during the cleaning process. And that's it! A perfect French tip completed and looking fabulous. If you didn't get a chance to pick up our French manicure theme box, all of these items are available individually on www.clawculture.com. You can sign up to our subscription service to receive a different themed claw drop box 4 times a year, filled with nail goodies, tutorials, tips and tricks.